everybody, Chris Banner here. Welcome back, and thank you for taking the next step into learning more. So let me actually show you how we utilize our proprietary software in order to make sure that we are partnering you with the top carrier that will give you the most benefits for the least premium. So let me show you how easy this is. Come on with me. Okay, so let me show you how easy this is. So at this point in working with our specialist, you would have, basically clicked and picked a time to schedule a 15-minute call with one of our licensed agents. Okay, now all of our licensed agents are fully trained in all of the health underwriting guidelines to know which carrier, based upon your specific health and needs, they should go to. And so when you're working with a brokerage firm like us, okay, in a comparison company like this, because we have access to all the carriers, what we did was we actually have a proprietary software that these carriers actually pay to belong to be able to give us the information that we need to run a proper quote for you. So this is how simple this is. We're going to put your zip code in, 06712. We're just going to use this as an example. Your gender, the amount of benefits that you're interested in, and if you want day one coverage and so forth. And again, our agent will be talking with you and asking you different questions to see where you may fit in with this type of thing. But basically, here's how simple this is. Once we have this data in here, we just click Get Quote. And what our software will do is it will go and put these plans in order based upon price, or we could have it set to where it's going to put them in order based upon highest rated company. So give it a second here. It's thinking. Okay, so as you can see here, for this female age 65 in this area, non-tobacco, looking for $10,000, our software literally puts in order the top carrier. So you can see here for a final expense whole life policy, that's a guaranteed premium, guaranteed benefit for this individual here, as long as she would health qualify for it, and that's what we're going to talk about next. She would pay $41 a month for that particular plan. And you could see, the top carriers are all going to be relatively close in their premiums. Okay, so when you're talking to one of our agents and you ended up getting a quote from somebody else, same age person, looking for the same benefit, and that premium comes in at half of this, then you know something is wrong. It's either not a permanent policy, may have a 2-year wait before you're allowed to die, or it may be a term policy where it's going to end at a specific age, which is not what you want when you're looking at covering final expense. So from here, our agent is going to then look at the top carriers that are offering here, and we're going to now then start comparing your health to the applications and the health questions that these different carriers require. So everybody's got their own little sweet spots. And so based upon your specific based upon your specific health, our agent will help narrow it down to the top 3 carriers that they believe will give you the best chance of getting approved. Okay, so that's as simple as it is. From there, we then go directly to that carrier. If you're interested in seeing a couple more options, we'd be able to give you a triplicate, which is basically, here's a $5,000, $10,000, and $15,000 quote with this particular carrier. Here's exactly what the costs are. If at that point you feel that this is something that's affordable, if you believe that this carrier would meet your needs and it's going to provide you all the benefits that you're looking for, day one coverage if possible, a policy that's guaranteed for your life, we will then help you schedule an appointment or either go ahead and transfer you to a live agent that is a rep for this particular carrier, and they will help you through the approval process. All right. So if you are interested in, learning more about this, setting up your free 15-minute strategy session with one of our final expense licensed agents here in Connecticut, simply just click the schedule now link below. That will take you to our page to where you can simply choose a date and a time, and all of the instructions on how you would meet with our agent, either face to face if you choose, or over the phone, will be emailed and text messaged out to you, so we can get you this information as soon as possible, get you going and get you set up. Okay, so anyhow, Chris Banner here. We look forward to seeing if we can help you out. Flagship Legacy, go ahead, and if you feel that this is something that may benefit others, like and share this on our Facebook page. That would be great, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.